Hi, this is Dr. Michelle Wolford, and I'm here with Dr. Mike Wasilisin. He's actually the founder of a program called MoveU. So, Mike, please share with our listeners what MoveU is.
Well, MoveU is a company. What we do is we teach people to move better and live a pain-free life. We have a specific online exercise program to transform the way people move and the way they think.
Okay.
Because I'll tell you what, the current model just doesn't work with chronic pain, disability on the rise, and that coincides with treatments, with medical and alternative treatments on the rise. And the rise is still happening with chronic disability and chronic pain. There's a better way. And we have, with over 260,000 people engaged with us and hundreds of life-changing stories, MoveU is different.
That's awesome. And I've actually been able to look at some of your programs, test out some of your online Instagram programs, and I've been very impressed myself. For somebody that just kind of wants to dabble in it before they commit, I mean, what can they expect to feel and see in their body?
Well, for people who just want to dabble in it without committing, that's what we recommend people do it first.
Yeah.
And we use our social media channels. I'm going to look here. I'm looking here. Looks like I got 3. I wish my eyes were like a chameleon. I wish I could do this. Like women's thoughts do. Oh yeah, look here. Okay, here we go.
Just look at me.
We're doing well.
Yeah.
But we use our online. We have so much online channels, and that is the future. And the future is online digital. And our Instagram, our Facebook. We have free programs. We have podcasts. We have live webinars. We have so many free resources for people out there to start learning, because that's truly what the program is about. It's about learning and it's about education, because that's something it's harder to find nowadays in medical and alternative care, because it's difficult to spend that much time with people one-on-one. With insurance reimbursement rates going down, you notice people spending less and less time with each person. The online channel allows us to just to divulge so much information and so much knowledge available for people that wasn't previously available before technology where it is today.
So are you incorporating your chiropractic knowledge into these programs, or is it more just physical fitness and physical therapy type of stuff?
I've moved away from chiropractic and physical therapy.
Okay.
I've moved away from that because I don't believe that the treatment is powerful as I once thought it was. Okay. So I'm currently figuring out it's almost like we drove a wedge in between alternative healthcare and training. It's like it's a new wedge. So incorporating chiropractic, we're a movement company. So we teach people how to move better, and also part of the mental transformation that occurs is they move better throughout their life, all day, every waking moment. They're excited to move better, not just that time frame where they're in an office or in the gym. And that is the research backs. It is chronic pain, disability. Is the challenge is being able to help people incorporate it throughout their life, socially, mentally, physically, and not just on a treatment. And so that's what MoveU strives to do, is to help people in all areas of their life. We have online social support systems, online social communities, plus they're evolving with Instagram videos and podcasts. They can't get us out of their mind, and that's what it takes, though, to make a change.
Yeah. Okay, that's awesome. Well, you heard it, guys. This is Dr. Mike Wasilisin with the MoveU program, and definitely come listen to him at the Summer Symposium, and also check him out online.
Oh, boy, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.